those updates.
Thank you.
Teesta Water Sharing Pact was also on the agenda. Prime Minister Modi said that India will send a technical team to Bangladesh soon.
I'm now visiting New Delhi for an unprecedented second time in the same month, June 2024. Earlier, on June 9, I attended with other world leaders the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Modi and his new cabinet. These are testaments to our two countries' close engagement.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi,
my heartfelt congratulations to Honorable Prime Minister for his historic third time as the Prime Minister.
साझा नदियां भारत और बांग्लादेश को जोड़ती हैं। फ्लड मैनेजमेंट, अर्ली वार्निंग, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्रोजेक्ट्स पर हम सहयोग करते आए हैं। हमने 1996 के गंगा रिवर ट्रीटी के रिन्यूअल के लिए टेक्निकल स्तर पर बातचीत शुरू करने का निर्णय लिया है। बांग्लादेश में तीस्ता नदी के संरक्षण एवं प्रबंधन पर बातचीत के लिए शीघ्र ही एक टेक्निकल टीम बांग्लादेश का दौरा करेगी।
All right, and DD India's Munmun Bhattacharya joins us from Hyderabad House in New Delhi. For more, Munmun, hello. Lots of MOUs signed between both the countries and some were renewed as well. Certainly it goes on to show the growing partnership between the two countries in various sectors, in fact. What are you getting for us? Munmun, can you hear me?
Right, Siddharth, at the very outset, I must say here that Sheikh Hasina was on her first bilateral state visit after the assumption of power by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the third time in a row. Yes, Siddharth, I can hear you. I was saying that Sheikh Hasina, Bangladesh Prime Minister, is in India. This is her first bilateral state visit to India after Narendra Modi came to power for the third time, and this goes on to show the kind of importance that India and Bangladesh both place when it comes to India's neighborhood first policy, Sagar Vision, which is security and growth for all in the region, besides, of course, partnership in the Indo-Pacific region as a whole. So having said that, I would say that the headline coming from the talks that took place between the two leaders is that there is going to be continuity, but there's also going to be a futuristic vision which is going to be focused on a green, a sustainable partnership with focus on space cooperation as well. And this is a kind of cooperation which will also have a digital domain, and this is something from which the youth of both the countries will stand to benefit. For instance, we know that India-Bangladesh Moitri satellite announcement was made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Besides that, medical visas will be given to patients of Bangladesh so that they can travel to India for treatment. Besides that, as far as Teesta river water management issue is concerned, on the conservation issue, it has been decided that a technical team will be going from India to Bangladesh. Also on the renewal of the agreement that is expected to take place still on the Ganga river water sharing issue. On that, we know that that agreement is expiring in 2026. So it was decided that technical talks will take place for the renewal, in a sense, of that agreement. So a lot of focus really on the future, because the Prime Minister said that a lot has already been achieved at an unprecedented speed and scale in the last 1 year, from rail connectivity to port connectivity to cargo connectivity to power transmission, to name a few.
All right, thank you so much, Munmun, for that analysis. We'll keep taking updates from you. And the Bangladesh Prime Minister